Frank DiMora here with the End Times Research Ministry. There's couple of prophecies in the Bible where we're warned that in the last days the birds, the fish, and the animals are going to be dying off. And I've been keeping a record of this and showing it to you as those reports come in. Now, the last video I did was up until March the 16th of 2015. And of course, just as I promised you, if you would watch the news, you would almost see these events coming in on a daily basis. So what I'm going to do now is to pick up for where I left off on March 16th of 2015 and go through April the 2nd, today's news, so that you'll see that we are losing the food supply in many places around the world, and it will continue. Watch this.
Near night, a local lake littered with dead fish. So a man called Fox 28 wanting to find out if anything was wrong with Madison Lake. Fox 28's Tara Morgan is there live. And isn't this a normal springtime thing there, Tara?
Right, that's what ODNR tells me. Take a look at what's alongside the boat ramp here, the dead fish. The man who called our newsroom thought something was killing the fish. Turns out ice and snow had something to do with it, but the fishermen, they just looked past the dead fish for their daily catch.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Sure.